Want to earn money from home? Remotasks makes it easy. Just sign up, complete a quick training, and start tackling simple tasks like image labeling and transcriptions. It's flexible, easy to get started, and you can work at your own pace. Perfect for earning on the side. So that's it here. And let's get started. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use the Remotasks full tutorial and full guide for beginners. So firstly, all I have to do is just open your browser and dive into Remotasks here. You'll find this results. You click over the first one and you'll find the home page. You have just to add your email address and your password. Then you'll find your account on Remotasks. I already have an account, that's why I can't show you how you can sign in up using this platform, because once I just dive into Remotasks, it appears the account. Once I click over here to log out, so we have to log out, I found here this. Alright, so I will just click over here and I will click over here, then I will log in. If you want to sign up, you click over the button of sign up. It's easy. You have to add your email address and your password, or you can continue with Google and you get started and you'll find your account on Remotasks. Firstly, let's know what is Remotasks. Remotasks is an online platform that allows you to earn money by completing simple tasks such as image annotation, data labeling, or transcription. After signing up and completing some training, you can start working on various tasks at your own pace, making it a flexible way to earn income from home. So after signing up, all you have to do right now is just start by completing the necessary training for the tasks you want to do. The training helps you learn how to complete tasks like image labeling or transcription correctly. Once trained, you can start selecting tasks from the platform and working on them at your own pace. Each task you complete earns you money, and the more accurate and you work, the better. All right? Tasks. So as I mentioned, the more accurate you work, the better tasks you will have access to. That's logical. Of course, you have just to use those options to get it started, and also you can work whenever it fits your schedule and just keep checking for new tasks and start earning money from this platform. Firstly, let's just discovering the dashboard, and let's just come back right now, and we have here in the top start tasking. You can just click over here and you have to follow some steps to start tasking, and then you'll find also here more tasks tires progress tracker. About this one we have here XP, and we have the other information that we have to know before getting started and start earning money from this platform, because XP it's important, and this one of steps are the one that you get to translate it and get money with that. All right, so let's just click over to learn more. Firstly, about this one you will find here the complete or all your information that you need about Remotasks. Firstly, we have what is the Remotasks Tires program. Here we have Remotasks Tires is a new loyalty program built to reward and recognize our top taskers on the platform. Taskers in the Remotasks Tires program will receive various additional benefits. We have here what are the benefits, then we have how do I join the program, and also we have here how do I earn remote points, how does XP work. So then we have how you can join the program. To join each one of the Remotasks tires, you will need to earn a certain amount of remote points in a period of time to qualify. Sorry. Once you join any of the tires, you will start receiving the benefits for that tires. Then we have the second one, which is once you become a preferred, you will have the chance to start working toward becoming an elite tire tasker to receive even more benefits. Then we have also membership of the program is conditioned to constant quality reviews, and queue managers have the ability to remove spammers and taskers will bad quality. Then we have also how do I earn money points, how does XP work. So this one it's very important to know, because it's how you can earn money points, and we have how does XP work, and that's why we made this video. And let's just know how do I you can earn points and how does XP work and how you can earn money from that. So the first new concept we want to introduce to you is experience points, which is XP. So we'll find this XP in everywhere in this platform. XP is meant to represent the amount of work that you have done on our platform. So I understand what is XP. So every time you complete a task, you will receive a certain amount of XP, and this XP it's gonna be money. All right. So each week you will have an XP call, and if you meet it, you will be able to earn emo points. Then standard taskers will be able to earn 1 emo point when they reach 3,500 XP in 1 week as well. So then we have also your preferred and elite taskers will earn 1 emo point when they reach 3,500 XP in 1 week, in addition to an extra 3 emo points when they reach 10,000 XP in that same week. Right, so then we have also how do I track my progress, and you have also how does MTQ support work, how does support prioritization work, how does the fast review work, and then we have bonus here. So about the bonus, we will find here a lot higher taskers will have access to weekly bonuses. The amount of bonuses will depend on the total XP they accumulate each week. Right, let's just come back right now and let's just here discovering these options, which is first the task log. About this one, you'll find here the task log is a summary of all the work you have done and how much can expect to get paid for it. And then we have here balance. As you can see, we have see how you have been performing recently and what you can do to be a better tasker on Remotasks. Then we have here Remotasks tires. About this one, you will find here Remotasks tires current status, tire reference, then we have preferred tire, elite tire, and then we have for each one benefits. So you have to get firstly 4 emo points to be preferred tire, then we have been elite tire, you have to get 20 emo points, and that's it for this one. Then we have onboarding as well. About this one, it's very important as well. So we'll find here also about this one, you will find here firstly the onboarding task center in the first and the beginning. We have browse product, we have such as data collection, such as generic data collection, content language. We find also here image annotation, image segmentation, video annotation. Then we have here later annotation, later segmentation as well. And you have also certification exams. You have just to click for sign up here, and you start by adding your email, full name, personal email, info, or if you contact PayPal email address. Then we have country, and also we have other things, and then you click for register once you're done. Then we have also here missions. Also this one could help you to earn money. We have firstly missions are a way to earn additional rewards for completed work. Missions are paid without once all milestones are completed or once the mission expires. Then we have task availability for missions is subject to customer demand, and having a mission does not guarantee work being completed. Then we have the last one, which is progress on hours based missions, including hub staff and data compute. Hours may take up to 48 hours to update. All right, so that's it right now. And also we have here feedback to more understand about this platform, and also we have here support such as help center, community, and join our Slack. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.